Meaning of dimensional.
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 Dimensional. The term dimensional is typically used in mathematics and geometry to describe the number of independent variables needed to specify a point or object. For example, a two-dimensional object, such as a square, requires two variables, length and width, to describe its position and shape, while a three-dimensional object like a cube requires three variables, length, width, and height, to do the same. The dimensional label can also be used more broadly to describe any system or problem that involves multiple variables or dimensions. Overall, dimensional refers to the number of independent variables necessary to define an object or system within a given context.